Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend. And welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. Wanted to keep you updated on that. I think Jasmy at this point of time is actually one of the most interesting coins to keep your eyes on. Over the course of the weekend, we actually did have, in waves, not always, but we did actually have some bullish momentum as well. Initially on Friday as well, but Friday and then Saturday it kind of disappeared, and then yesterday we actually did gain some sort of a new momentum as well. So there's definitely things going on at Jasmy, all right? Not necessarily fundamentally, but at least technically there's things going on, and that is bullish, all right? Because that means that there's at least activity, at least volatility, and that is, well, at least if you want to trade Jasmy, those are good circumstances. If you want to buy and hold, I also think Jasmy is looking fine. We actually have some decent volume coming in over the last 24 hours. It's up 55%. Now, that's not more than the market as a whole. So in that sense, there's no clear indication that we're going to pump right now. And I'll show you some other things as well that kind of confirm that. But then if you zoom out and you combine that volume with the way that we've been able to hold this uptrend here, which we've been able to hold magnificently, I think Jasmy is much more bullish than bearish here. The thing is, and that's kind of the last thing that we're waiting for with Jasmy, is that sure, we're actually, like, compared to other altcoins, we're doing quite good. We're back at the same levels we were at last week as well, which a lot of altcoins right now are not. And if you take a look at the altcoin market, you can also see that's trading lower at a lower high compared to last week. So compared to other altcoins, Jasmy is doing great, but it's missing the one thing. Well, it's missing the two things that it really needs to be bullish here. First of all, we still have a major resistance level in our horizon, which is this level at 5 cents. Which you can see technically is respected, but it's obviously also a psychological resistance level and quite a strong one as well. And then the main thing we miss, and I've said this like a couple of months back, I used to say this every video, that we lacked that, and that because of that we were not rallying, but Jasmy has no momentum, all right? Take a look at this. This is the open interest, right? So these are positions being opened on Jasmy. Now, the last time we saw that was Friday. So Friday we actually did have some momentum coming in, and there the price was also, quite strong. But this is not that, all right? There's a bit of a start of momentum earlier this morning, and if this continues, that's the main thing we need to actually break above 5 cents and rally into 6 and 6.2 cents. So if this develops well over today and over the rest of the day, that's great, all right? And then we can break out. But if you compare this to what we did when we were very bullish, which was this, it's not enough. All right, so what we're waiting for is that, and until that, I think on the higher time frames we will remain bullish. So I don't necessarily expect a major crash. However, I do think right now we're actually more consolidating than trending up. So that does mean that I expect some sort of a move up to 5 cents, and I expect stability here. But that also means that we can drop down into support levels around 4 cents and even slightly lower. So that is what I would expect right now for Jasmy, and then what we're waiting for is some sort of breakthrough either from the market. I mean, if Bitcoin really starts moving and the Bitcoin dominance starts going up a lot, which would be bearish, or down a lot, that can make Jasmy move as well. And outside of that, we're waiting for that open interest to show a little bit more of a sign of life. And then we can talk about the breakout, and I will keep you updated on that. But for now, I would say we are bullish, but I don't see any breakthrough coming soon yet. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.